공간상 오늘 단상한조 바이오모리큘스네 단상한조 nucleic acid macromolecules네 nucleic acid 차례 nucleic acid 나나 macrobiomolecules래 અને nucleic acid ती 가르래 요니여래 RNA 당 DNA so nucleic acid is nucleic acid consists of polynucleotide so the poly macrobiomolecules in sonza kunzu karisna polynucleotides and kunzu ki monomers subunit kare nucleotide mangbo nyam to thingna kalaila na polynucleotides so polynucleotides lana re nucleic acid kare re ni re DNA ta RNA deoxyribonucleic acid and structurally nganzu tendishud nucleic acid pentose sugar yure and nitrogenous base purine ta pyrimidine yure karenata pyrimidine yungre andi kala phosphate group yure dinde chigla nganzuki nucleic acids la nucleotides la so nucleotide mangbo chinyam thomsona nucleic acid so now nucleotide chig and the shuna engage connect link chela karjana bond form chela ta dirte and nucleic acid ki and suppose that the DNA rojina kan structure kan ji mujin chuna kenza surni yero and de kan stera zaksa di yero toxin the backbone de kallana sugar phosphate backbone pentose sugar de ta ani phosphate group ta de da dine ne di pentose sugar wa and carbon number thangbo niwa sumba shiba ngapa kugi ngawa dila karjardo phosphate group jarto and kugi thangbo dila nitrogenous base jar so now d ki carbon number ngawa dila kalare 5 primal phosphate jasad ta ko carbon number sumba di fridge and d niwa di ki ngawa di ki phosphate group di dan di sumba di jorwa carbon number sumba di OH group di wondena bond form chine di phosphate nyam bond form chine ta di gajar sumba di chasa those connect chitukula dela n dikhar chaso 5 primal n la phosphate jarta and those connect chitukta dela phosphate manjana last pentose sugar digi kari firi lakore 3 primal n lakore so now dikhar chaso start count chukre 5 primal n ne and mala 3 primal n la chukor and dikhar antiparallel di 5 primal n ne 3 primal yongsona phajo side dikhar yongre 5 primal n ne yala 3 primal n la so the carbon number 3 primal n ba the carbon number 5 is the phosphate is 5 primal n ba so 5 primal n and 5 primal n to 3 primal n and the carbon 5 primal n to 3 primal n kunja kare parallel distance par parallel ina kare anti-parallel opposite direction 5 to 3 ma do da di 5 to 3 ya do da so then the chigar so now dine ne di carbon thangbu di nitrogen base la jari di ki carbon thangbu nitrogen base ja base dige nitrogen base dige katuna kariyare they are very specific nitrogen base some specific adenine guanine thymine cytosine nitrogen base yo 가즈간중 콘주 상마 롤 담이라 도스네 페링 지기 말에 고란 specific ATGC le adenine guanine thymine cytosine adenine dan guanine pair chidu kala unkhunyu pala bond kara hydrogen bond di double bond guanine dan cytosine pair chidu kala kunyi pato bond di hydrogen bond di triple bond so toto ta DNA di sopta dindi dochir 자자 다 DNA composition 상 창도 돼 phosphate group रे pentose रे nitrogenous base and then chigla nucleotide ता nucleotide chigni sumshi mangbo chhe kyamne ani dijo side la complementary base pairing chiung to kala ani dinde jungbu chi chasona dila nucleotide polynucleotide DNA ता DNA dinga jo kari structure re la re helical structure re la anjo kenza dojo तेजिदि केन्जा बा केन्जा दुख चुरी क्याप साना खाजि ट्विस्ट से साना खाजि रे तेन्डे रो छा दुरा देख कोरे के ग्यो दुख चुरी के चेक रो स्पाइरल रो छा दुरा केन्जा तेन युंग दो व तेन्डे रो छा सो 5 प्राइम एन्ड रे 3 प्राइम एन्ड दि दुख चुरी के तो कला 같이 루레 디디 독스 가데 고추리 탭루 얘는 섭다 지부지게 디디 추리 개겨다 디 섭다 추리 개겨 대기 임바 포스페트 कार्बन नंबर ngawa dila phosphate group yore tangbo dila nitrogen space jar yore andi ki sumba dila niwa dik phosphate group jar yore doxine bond form chir this sugar phosphate bond and interior la kar yore nitrogen base pairing chir kunyi ba hydrogen ni yor kunyi ba la guanine da thymine guanine da sarjan kadi na hydrogen bond sum yor chaza ane di ane chain reachura di kar na 3 primer 5 primer to 3 primer door and code 5 primer 3 primer downward doors on the kajane yal upward doors so they are parallel but anti-parallel wa ta di kunjo twist chena di chala khandi chena kajamo khajar tan chena kaj 360 tan chherwa kisi 360 tan chena tendi chhurde 1 ton legro ton chik denen chik de di gone de ba 1 ton 1 ton chik nang la khari yor na base pe chu yore la chik ni sum shi nga truk tin ke ku chu yore la base pe chu yore la ani ton chik ki complete ton chik ki length ro dikhare na 3.4 nanometer yore la and 3.4 nanometer is also equal to 34 armstrong the chik par kujisa ani other अनि बेस पे रेरे पर्ताला दी बेस पे दिनी पर्ता कि डिस्टेंस जोरवा दी का 0.34 नैनोमीटर्स रेल तो गोजुदा ओते ता दिरे तजिन देशी के योर डीएनए दी डबल स्टैंड नि दा एंड दी हेलिक्स and helical structure anti parallel orientation रेला सा 5 prime n to 3 prime n 5 prime n to 3 prime n sugar phosphate form backbones of the DNA. DNA की backbone दिखाते sugar नाम phosphate देले sugar phosphate दिखा दे sugar phosphate. Nitrogen base extend into interior in pair. Nitrogen base हम नामलो ला नारिम ग्रेला काजन base pairing चे दियां कार्य with their very specific ATGC. Adenine always pair with thymine, guanine always pair with cytosine. A base of pairs are bound to each other by hydrogen bond. तब बेस पेयरिंग छितु कला कुन सुख जर्गिर लना हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड की चिगरेल एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड छिनो कुन बेस पेयर छितु बॉन्ड दी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड नियर कुनजल कर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड सुमिर बेस पेयरिंग इज हाईली स्पेसिफिक दिपे केचमुर बेस पेयर कंज्यूमर छिग मारे स्पेसिफिक एडिनिन नि छासुला थाइमिन यम जगिर गुआनिन नि छासुला साइटोसिन यम जर्कुर A can only pair with T and G can only pair with C and that the mnemonic AT at Girls College, ATGC, adenine paired with thymine, guanine paired with cytosine. That is mnemonic in this lela yonchit. Memory temba ya yonchit in two stir. 10 base pair in 1 ton. The embatachi. Tanchik dinin the batanchik relasa. The tanchik nala base pair kajolaso. Chu rela. 3.4 nanometers in 3.4 nanometer in one pitch. Pitch chigla nanometer kachela so 3.4 yorela. Okay, then next is RNA. RNA dila kariyore ko single strand. Tejin DNA in a double strand da strand chik strand ni da RNA and single strand. And nucleotide in RNA chains will contain ribose sugar the ribose tejin in the deoxy ribose ba kona yukyo ki sugar de karela na ribose sugar chaza one of the 4 nitrogen base pair nitrogen base shiro shine chig yurel one of the 4 nitrogen base adenine uracil tejin thymine sabla RNA uracil and guanine and cytosine and phosphate group here yoro uracil adenine guanine and cytosine yoro base pair chigir ani phosphate group here dela phosphate group jar kora sugar dela phosphate group jar kora and 3 major types of RNA dita kare helix structure in the DNA the RNA la the mix DNA la form diameter the most stablest form is B formed double helix Watson and Crick kan jinchungi na changir shimba chitan DNA structure pe mangur 저선 B form the stable 사쇼 레라 나중에 가서 장교팅 the most stable form of DNA 레라 전부치단 Z form 단tam인데 DNA 나다 the detail you study in class 12 right. So now next come to the three major type of RNA. RNA की rig मानता सुमे messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA. The detail ganzo la yo mare protein synthesis jinchungi na yore messenger RNA होगी અને DNA ने message की information की इंदिला messenger RNA ribosomal RNA की काजे protein सोचा transfer RNA की खाची लना messenger RNA information की शोधी code ची amino acid code chain the transfer RNA. So that means they are involved in the protein synthesis, translation, transcription, transcription, translation, DNA into RNA and RNA in protein synthesis na use janchungi na changirele. So there are messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA. Now comes to the nature of bond linking monomer in polymers. That is polymers nangla kari monomer mangbo link chigla sa link chigi ki bond digie ki ming kar kare mes example ngan karo phosphodiester bond lan tejin din ba nucleotide ni nyam do chena khache polynucleotide nucleic acid chagitla sa so nucleotide ni khandes join chigla na data carbon thangbu ni wa sumba nucleotide thangbu ki carbon sumba dang and nucleotide niwa ki carbon thangbo niwa sumba shiwa ngawa kangla phosphate yo kuki ngawa kang phosphate niwa ki carbon number ngawa thangbo ki carbon number sumba padala ani kar chigla na react na water molecules loss chig OH group chig loss chig OH group loss na oxygen la di oxygen diki kunni padala bond form chig di bond dila kalegre phosphodiester bond so dinte phosphodiester bond form chene ka chigre nucleotide thangbo da niwa join je niwa to sumba join je sumba to shiwa join chene ka cha rore they become a polynucleotide with rungbu shu mangbu cha rore so this is called as nucleic acid so nucleic acid chaya la nucleotide pada lo bond form che de la ka legre polyester bond the water molecules loss in chagire kawa chagna na thangbo ke carbon sumba dang and niwa diki carbon ngawa ki phosphate group kangla OH patala chagire water loss ta di nucleotide khajai link chi nucleotide ni ring chi da link chi song chan dinucleotide and trinucleotide so mana and tetrapenta yungro and mangbu shu na pe mangbu na khaju polyslab shar polynucleotide nucleic acid okay now chiku glycosidic bond that is monomer monosaccharide mangbu stomne polysaccharide chayo polysaccharide khandes chayla na tayan dete glucose ina re monosaccharide ni link chura monosaccharide ni bond form chela khandes bond form chila na deta glucose na fructose reta glucose ki carbon thangbo la OH group cha fructose ki carbon ni wal OH tha dini react na kharche water loss na kharche oxygen chi klasa and the oxygen chik digi kotam koni par bond form cha so the bond form chik de la khale na this bond is called as glycosidic bonds glycosidic bond this sucrose cha da so now chikyan the glucose na glucose reda glucose react na maltose chegro and maltose ki this teacher side the non reducing rate this the reducing rate la sa non reducing means the na la khari mare non reducing la na the na la free aldehyde and ketone group yo and call free aldehyde and ketone high tanda chikyan the carbon shiwa dang the carbon thangbu patala OH ni sta the reaction water loss and ko ban koni ba oxygen chla da oxygen digi koni par bond form this is called glycosidic bond 1,4 glycosidic bond lata 1,4 glycosidic bond kharchina na glucose thangbu ki carbon thangbu di dang glucose niwa ki carbon shiwa ni patala bond form cherel 1,4 glycosidic bond and the ni reaction the glucose ni reaction compound polysaccharide khar disaccharide khar charla na maltose char the bond between the two monosaccharide is called as glycosidic bond peptide bond lelo ra peptide bond lana amino acid mangbu shri na protein chaktu kala amino acid mangbu ri thuro amino acid link chela ya amino acid ni patal bond form chur so the carbon ro the carboxylic acid group re the amino group re hydrogen re R group ta tangbu di ki carboxylic acid ki OH ti ta niwa ki amino group ka hydrogen ni react che sona water loss no khuni par kalhas hydrogen chlas the hydrogen da the patal bond form chine dinde bond form chida the bond de la kalegre na peptide bond the khaj amino acid khaj react chit amino acid khaj link chit ni link chi sha to so te dung de kya sumba link chi shiva link chi ngawa link chi and amino acid mongbu link chen kha char become a protein polypeptide chain de ro polypeptide chain or polypeptide or proteins le ro protein chal amino acid mongbu nyam to link chi to link che la khar chu re amino acid tangbo ki carboxylic group ta niwa ki amine group at react in water loss in bond form so kuni je batu bond form je yudla khalegre they'll call as polypeptide bond so these are the three important bond in biomolecules metabolites plant metabolites all the metabolites are biomolecules chishing the samjing kandu metabolites sangma khare biomolecules so primary metabolite lana plant nangla ta primary metabolite lana te macromolecules carbohydrate lipids protein nucleic acids kunjole primary metabolic kharchin lab lana and they are directly involved in the growth chishing gi chalong la kunju gi khalore their functions are non kunju lega ha go kunju gi kajure the metabolites dige biomolecules dige and chalong la direct dewa use growth la dewa use the secondary metabolite in there chishing na dige kari yorla na ta kunju gi the metabolites dige kaptuk dewa yo mata chishing gi growth la ina kari yore mangbo chi gi defense purpose che tutungor example alkaloid phenolic steroid essential oil lignin and kuni par secondary the primary kari kyorla na function specific function non emit kunju function the non primary metabolites are directly involved in the growth whereas secondary metabolites not directly involved in the growth but they produce for the different purpose defense purpose example the secondary metabolites pigment rich in identity carotenoid anthocyanins alkaloids metabolites tadige karlana which is used for the human beings manju mile picture chishin korangi growth la direct development and the alkaloid morphine codina lumina lugro and then terpenoids na monoterpinous diterpinous essential oil lemongrass oil and toxin din lectine ka congana valin a light when blasting curcumines drugs any polymeric substance rubber gums cellulose tadige some mila picture anju sorta tameda na picture chugora and in the metabolites tige chishin gi tungo re na korangi chishin gi growth la directly to me so there comes under these secondary metabolites ta the topic thamat kala na dynamic state of body constitution organism की body constitution the biomolecules some kind of dynamic they are changing they keeps on change good thing in the detail so manju ki suguna yukyo ki chemical ki good ora simple the complex simple cha so dinde chaya dila kale turnover cha juye chora the good ki process la kale metabolism kare catabolism the anabolism symbol ne complex cha sona catabolism le ro anabolism le ro complex the symbol cha sona anabolism le ro anabolism symbol to complex ro anabolism lana symbol the complex cha sona anabolism complex the symbol cha sona catabolism ta symbol the complex cha dang complex the symbol cha dige chama metabolism dige kajuri there's catalytic reaction dige chama reaction the increase chigo the increase ching this lana enzymes So enzymes are biomolecules which enhance the rate of the reaction, which increase the rate of the reaction. Right. So now come to this metabolism dila khare yoni catabolism ta anabolism. Catabolism lan khale do anabolism lana anabolic pathway lana biosynthesis pathway symbol ne complex hai. Simpler structure to complex structure. Amino acid assemble to form protein raw. Amino acid sama monomer raw. Mangbuch nyam tumna complex kar protein cha. This is called as anabolism. Anabolism देखा जाए energy consuming anabolic reaction kala. Catabolic reaction दिखा दे degradation pathway. Complex the simpler. Example respiration raw. Glucose breakdown to carbon dioxide and water. And release energy in the form of ATP. Energy the ATP dela energy ka release ATP form the energy release. Ta kunya pa khebar kat. Sugu nala metabolism lana khare lana mal khare complex the simpler the complex curia. Simpler the complex cursona anabolism lantar. Complex the simple cursona catabolism lik. Ani chik cha sa. New the karchana simple the complex curna energy pichu chik. Energy consume chik. Example photosynthesis anabolism raw. Catabolism respiration catabolism raw degradation pathway raw.